Extreme blackhead removal satisfying deep extraction ASMR. Many people struggle with stubborn blackheads that sit deep inside the pores and refuse to go away with normal face washing. In this video, we are showing an extreme blackhead removal process where deep clogged pores are carefully extracted to reveal clearer and smoother skin. Watching this process can be surprisingly relaxing and satisfying because each extraction removes buildup oil and dirt that has been trapped inside the skin for a long time. Blackheads form when pores become clogged with excess oil, dead skin cells, and impurities from the environment. When the pore remains open, the trapped oil oxidizes and turns dark, creating the blackhead appearance on the skin. During this extreme deep pore extraction, each clogged pore is gently pressed to release the buildup, helping the skin breathe again and restoring a smoother look. In this satisfying skincare session, a professional extraction tool is used to perform extreme blackhead removal safely and effectively. As the pressure is applied around the pore, the hardened oil plug slowly slides out, revealing a clean pore underneath. The process might look intense, but when done correctly it can instantly reduce congestion in the skin and improve overall texture. One of the most satisfying parts of the video is watching multiple deep blackheads being removed one by one. The extreme extraction ASMR effect comes from the close-up visuals, slow movements, and the visible transformation as clogged pores become clean. Many viewers find these videos relaxing because they show the dramatic before and after of deep pore cleaning. After the extraction process, the skin usually looks much clearer because the buildup has been removed from inside the pores. However, proper skin care after extreme blackhead removal is very important. The skin should be cleaned gently, soothed with calming products, and protected to prevent irritation or infection. To prevent blackheads from coming back, maintaining a good skincare routine is essential. Regular cleansing, gentle exfoliation, and using products that help control oil can reduce pore congestion. Consistency is key when it comes to keeping pores clear and avoiding future extreme blackhead buildup. If you enjoy watching extreme blackhead removal and deep pore extraction videos, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more satisfying skincare content. These transformations not only look satisfying but also show how proper pore cleaning can improve skin health and appearance. Enjoyed this extreme blackhead removal? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next satisfying skincare extraction video.